Hello friends, this is Yasir Munir and in this video I am gonna show you how to make your app responsive. For that simply I open my editor and here is my emulator and you can see here I write React Native and React Native shown in my mobile screen. Let's give here a styling. Simply I write here inline styling. For that write here style is equal to double curly braces and write here flex is 1 and align item is gonna be center. Control save and you can see our React Native text move into the center. And what if I write here justify content, that is gonna be center, and my React Native move in the center of my mobile screen. So now let's implement the responsive things in my app. For that simply add here a component that is dimensions and initialize two variables here, const curly braces is equal to dimensions dot get and parentheses, and inside this parentheses use window, and here write height and after the height write here width. Now what is this? This is the basically two keywords that help us to make our app responsive. This keyword gets the value of window, just like the height of our mobile window and the width of our mobile window. Let's implement this in my screen. Simply change the background color and background color is gonna be yellow. Control save and our app background color change into yellow. Now write here a view and give here a styling. Style is equal to double curly braces and inside this write here background color is red and height is 200 and width is 100%. Okay, control save and this is our view. Now what if I write here flex 1, control save, and you can see as I write flex 1, so this view cover my all. Let's remove it from here and remove this flex from here, and you can see when I remove this flex our yellow color remove and only the React Native text shown. What if I remove this view from here and control save and also comment this. Now our screen is empty because we didn't write here flex 1. And what if I uncomment this and yellow color cover my whole screen? What if I write here 0.5, control save, you can see our flex contain half of my screen. Let's make it into 1 and uncomment all these lines. Control save. So this is basically our view. Let's remove this React Native from here. Now use this height and width here. For that simply remove this 100% and write here simply width. You can see the color of this width is exactly same as this width. Control save and you can see nothing changed because this width cover the whole window as a width. What if I write here -40? Now what is happening here? Basically my view check the width of this screen, this is 100%, and remove 40 from width from both sides. If I remove this line, then my view show here. And what if I change the height into height, control save, and the height covers the screen. And what if I divide this height into 2, control save, and you can see our view color change accordingly. And let's implement an image here. For that, simply I use an image. Where are images? Okay, this one is look nice. What if I got this one? Simply drag this from here and drop inside my assets folder. Change the name of the image to check. Okay, import this image. Simply I write here import, give here any name, just like any name from, and give here the path of that image. I write here inside the assets, and what is the name of the image? The main name is check.png. Right here check dot, control save, no error occur. Okay, my path is correct. Now what if I initialize here image? For that I have to import this component from React Native. Let's import here image. Okay, now inside this view, right here image, and give here the source of image. Source is equal to curly braces, and inside this curly braces, name of that image. This I give here any name, copy this and paste it here, control save. Now give here styling. Style is equal to height is gonna be 100% and width is gonna be 100%. Control save, and you can see our image fit inside this view. Why this happened? Why this didn't go this view? Because I write this image inside this view. What if I copy this image from here, comment this one, control save, and write here. Now control save, and you can see our image cover this whole screen. Now the height mean this full screen percentage and width mean this percentage. That's why our image didn't look good. And this 100% is just like the height and width as I write here. What if I write here simply height and here width, control save? Nothing happened because this height and this width use the whole screen as their height and width. So that is the phenomena behind the responsiveness of our images. Whenever we use things, we have to set it in a proper manner. Just like, what if I write a full example here? Simply I import something just like touchable opacity. This is basically a button. Okay, now wrap whole view. Now this is our main view. Control save, and this is yellow, and inside this view I create another view and give here a styling. Style is equal to, and inside this view I said the width is gonna be width of this queen minus 60, and height is gonna be height divided by 2. Now all the things inside this view use this height and this width as a parent height and width. Control save and change the background color. It's gonna be green. Control save, and now it's look better. And inside this view I initialize touchable opacity, and inside this touchable opacity I write here a text. This is check one mate, and change the color of touchable opacity. Style is equal to curly braces, and inside this write here background color white. Okay, right here justify content center, and also white here line item is center, and my text shown inside the center, and give here a width. Now what if I write here 100% width? 100%. Nothing changed because this width is parallel to this width. What if I write here 70%? Then it change it into here. Align item, and this is center. Now it's look better. Give here height, give here a customized height, just like 50. Now it's look good. Justify content center. Now it's okay. This is basically a button. Give here more styling, border radius 20. That's nice. Okay, after this button add here an image. Image is gonna be source. You can also directly approach image from any folder, just like for that simply write here a keyword require parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis quotation out here double dot, then forward braces and assets, and give here the name of our image, and our image name is, where is our image? This one, check.png. Control save. So this image shown very badly because we didn't give here styling. Style is equal to width is gonna be width is gonna be 100%, and height is 50. Control save, and this is our image shown below this button. Right here 70, 90 and 120. Let's look better. So what is going on and how this is called a responsive image? Because whenever you write this code, by the help of this keyword, whenever you use every type of screen, that check the size of window and set all the things according to that window. So this is the way to make your app responsive.